Kind of jig it a little bit. Whoa, another one. Oh, this is, I don't know what.
This is what I was thinking I was going to get.
I don't know what that is. Let me see if I could get it. Let me see.
Let it
yeah, let me see if I can.
less free.
Man, there's a lot of these little small fish.
Wonder if they've ever been caught before.
I'm sure they have. Oh my God, it's so small. They're
feisty.
Yeah, they're more feisty than the big ones. Golly.
Not his eyes.
Oh, I'm sorry. God, I need to get the pliers.
Okay.
He pulled just as hard?
Yeah, almost.
Oh, he came off.
Oh, nice.
Careful. Oh.
Shit. Let me grab him right. Take a quick picture.
There you go.
Or do you have it on your thing?
I have it on my camera.
Look at he's so tiny. Oh, he's pretty. Look.
Yeah. Oh, he's blue. Get him. Throw him back.
I'm trying to get him where he won't slip out of my hands. Oh, I'm sorry, Dad. Here you go.
Bye. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Got one, babe. Yeah. I'm gonna run all the way to weigh it. Huh? Yeah. Not as big. It's pretty small.
Smaller than the ones that are farmed.
Yeah. Different color too. Don't freak out, buddy. What happened?
Red.
Something's taking your breath?
Yeah, I feel like snagging. Got it?
Golly, this one is pretty ugly. Yeah. Ah, got it. Whew. All right. Different color.
Yeah, he is small.
He's pretty small.
Got a big old mouth.
Yeah. I think I jacked him up a little bit.
Poor guy.
Can you give me my scale if you don't mind? Hold on, buddy. Gotta weigh you and then I send you back. It's in the middle, right there. Hey, he's small. Skinny guy, malnourished. I need to send him over there with the bluegill.
Yeah, the bluegill was bigger than him. You like?
This thing sometimes.
Finicky.
Yeah. Whatever. You're pretty small anyway, buddy.
Yeah, he's probably like 7-8 ounces.
Yeah. Stop trying to bite me. They can put them in slowly. See ya. Thanks for playing. Finally, I thought I wasn't gonna catch one. I guess there's some more bass over there. That was funny.
That was funny.
Got one? Huh? It looks what? Fat? It's probably a bluegill too.
Sorry, bud, this
Just
grass is not very comfortable.
Just a different kind. It came off? Oh, perfect.
Can I grab him?
Yeah. Right or left? Or left.
Right.
You want right?
Yeah.
Here, this is right.
We're both righties, unfortunately.
Careful with it.
Yeah, I know.
So you want to kind of scoop them, push them down as you get them. There you go. There you go. You want to grab them from there, get a nice firm grip. There you go. Careful, don't.
It's just so slippery.
Yeah, it's slippery. There you go. I think you got him now. Yeah.
3. On my first time coming out.
Yeah. See ya.
Bye. I wonder if that was the one who kept
Biting at it?
Yeah, biting at it and
I want to get on some of this bluegill action.
right, it's fun. I've learned that I have to not mess with it too much, I guess.
Not mess with it too much?
Yeah.
They'll come to it.
Kind of come to you.
Hello?
Hey, fisherman.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. I got one. Woo!
Where you at?
I got one, baby.
Neighborhood.
I'm in,
Neighborhood.
Huh?
I was in your neighborhood.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Dude, I just caught one right now.
Where you at?
I'm at, what do you call it? Greatwood.
Mother-in-law?
No, Greatwood.
Bigwood.
Yeah, Greatwood.
What is that?
It's over here off of, near 99.
In 99. Oh.
Yeah.
Man, I went to
Pretty big.
university, right?
Uh-huh.
And I spent like 2 hours. And I think that my lane is too big for the rod.
Yeah, I think it
I
is.
don't know what happened. I mean, I cannot even go like probably 8 feet. And then everything get like messed up at the bottom. So it could be that or not.
Yeah, it could be. I think your line is too strong.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna go ahead and buy another one.
I mean, I have line. I could give you some.
So I put it the same way, but I think that it's too strong. Like I cannot even move fast, like forward. Like it's like double fit.
Come on.
So, ¿cómo se llama donde tú estás? Say it again.
Greatwood. I could send you the Let me get the pliers there. Yeah, I could send you the address.
Yeah, send me the address from there. I go tomorrow probably.
Okay.
Got it, bro. So that could be right, Josh.
Yeah, it could be that, man. Cause when I was putting your line, I was like, man, this line is kind of thick.
It's too thick, yeah. I think so too. Alright, bro. I'll go buy another one, small one.
Alright.
Alright, have a good one.
Alright. Bye.
Yeah. It's really stuck in there.
God, yeah, it really is.
You stink fish.
Gosh darn it, I can't get it out.
Uh-oh. Too close to stuff. Yeah, my line broke.
It did?
Mm-hmm. It also was starting to get tangled again. I had to kind of like...
God, this thing is...
It's really in there.
Yeah, it's really in there. Oh, shoot, it's because it has like These barbs in it.
All over.
Oh, got
There
it.
goes.
Finally.
Yay. Can you hold him?
Got him. Yeah. My first blue GG. Little guy. See ya, sucker. Whoopee.
Yeah, I had one, and then and then the line, I see it start going. I was like,
What the heck?
I don't know what happened.